Okay, so we are at 3 Sitko Lane in Berwick. This is the subdivision that's right off Diamond Hill Road. So just gonna do a little live update video. So coming in from the garage, solid wood doors, and the kitchen cabinets have arrived. Island, still time to choose stone color. From what I understand. Floors went in. Still have one more finish coat to do, but we're not going to do that until the right before we finish the house. Some of the trim has gone up. The AZEC and the composite. I'll show you another view of the deck from another door. So this is the, as I like to call it, the kids' bath. So cast iron tub here, double sinks. The bedrooms are getting carpet per spec. We can do the wood floor in here, but as of right now, it's just carpet. So that's why there's no flooring in the bedrooms. Big, huge windows. I think these are 6-foot windows. They're gigantic. That bedroom is like a staging area, so we won't look at that. Let's go look at the master bath. It's so pretty. So again, here's a view of the kitchen. So this is the pantry here, and then laundry, and then a half bath, but I'm gonna show you the master bath in a second. So there is the back deck. It's huge. These stairs go upstairs to a second floor area. It's unfinished, but could be finished. This is a master bedroom. Even on a cloudy day, it's bright in here. So master closet and master bath. They're bringing the cabinetry in right now. Just got a little bit of tile to finish in the shower. I just popped the tub in place. We have a showing here in a few minutes. And then the water closet right there. Get out of their way. So there's the half bath powder room. This is the laundry room. Lots of space in there. This goes down to the basement. We all know that whenever I go into the basement, I lose service, so we're not gonna go there. And this is, oops, pantry. All right, I have a showing. We've been negotiating an offer. A lot of activity on this one. It will be finished very soon. We can have it finished in a matter of weeks. They're really working diligently because we have another house across the street that we're gonna pop in and finish after this. So feel free to give me a call or a text or a message, 207-251-9535. This one is listed at $899, 3 Sitko in Berwick. I'll put a link to the listing